In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make passive income with Fiverr affiliates. As you can see right here, this is a $15 commission, just testing out Fiverr affiliate if it works or not. And for those who are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go over to affiliate.fiverr.com. As you can see right here, choose your commission plan, and I'm going to show you what a commission plan means. All right, so basically the first thing you want to do is you want to become an affiliate, and all you just need to do is to promote a Fiverr gig and you make money, as you can see right here. So basically you want to come over to affiliate.fiverr.com and you want to click on join now. So if you click on that, you can see right here, all you just basically need to do is input your basic details right here. It's absolutely free to create an account and you get approved instantly. So basically that is all you need to do to have your account created. And as for the commission plan, so basically this talks about the categories and how much you make per category. As you can see right here, Fiverr offers services in every digital category fit for any business need. So basically for the commission plan, as you can see right here, there's Fiverr CPA and there's also Fiverr hybrid. So basically what Fiverr CPA means is you get a one-time commission once you make a sale. So for the Fiverr hybrid, you get $10 for every sale you make, and also you get 10% revenue from whatever the person spends on Fiverr for the next 12 months. So if you scroll down, you can see there's different commission for various categories. All right, you can see this is Fiverr Pro here. You get paid $150 for every sale. You can see right here the graphic design category, you get $50. All right, so if you come over to fiverr.com, you can see these are the various categories right here. This is the graphic design category right here. So any sale you make in any of these categories right here, you get $50. And it doesn't matter whatever the buyer spends on Fiverr, you get $50. Even if they purchase a $5 gig, you're still going to get $50. All right, so you can see this is the digital marketing category right here. So if you go back to the commission plan and look for the digital category, all right, so if I scroll down here, all right, you can see right here, this is the digital marketing category right here. Okay, so you can see right here, digital marketing category, you get $25 for every single sale you make. All right, so basically you can select any category of your choice right here. Okay, so the next thing you want to do once you have your account created, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do everything step by step in this video. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go over to Fiverr and you want to select a category of your choice. So I'm going to be taking the digital marketing as an example. Okay, so basically I'm going to be taking the social media marketing as an example right here. Okay, so basically as you can see right here, there are various gigs right here that I can start promoting right away. Okay, so you can see these people right here help people to grow their social media accounts. So you can see there are various prices in this category right here. This is a $30 gig right here. This one is $5. So it doesn't matter whatever gig I promote, as long as I make a sale, I'm going to get $25. All right, and also keep in mind the sale has to come from a first-time buyer. An existing Fiverr account does not count. Okay, so basically now I'm going to show you how to do everything right here. All right, as you can see, this is an example of a good gig right here. All right, this person right here has over 100 reviews. All right, as you can see right here, I will develop an organic growth strategy for Instagram. So if I click on this gig right here, all right, you can see this person has 8 others in queue. So what I'm going to do from here, I'm just going to copy this gig link right here. So once I copy the link, then I'm going to go over to my Fiverr dashboard, and you want to go over to the marketing tool. So once you go over to the marketing tool, you want to go over to the default and deep links. So you want to click on this LP URL right here, and you want to paste in the Fiverr link right there, and you want to click out of this box. As you can see right here, this is the various link you can use. You can see the Fiverr CPA I showed you the first time. You are going to get a one-time commission if you use this link right here. And if you decide to use this second link right here, you are going to get $10, and you are going to also get 10% of whatever the buyer spends on Fiverr for the next 12 months. So usually I prefer to go for this Fiverr CPA to get the one-time commission. So all you just need to do is click on the link and you've copied the link right there. So the next step now is to create a landing page. All right, so you can go over to breezy.io or you can use Google Sites or whatever landing page builder of your choice. So basically I'm taking breezy.io as an example. So now to create a landing page, all I just need to do is to click on this button right here, and I'm going to drag this text right here. So once I drop this text right here, and don't worry, I know this is confusing, I'm going to explain as we go. So you want to type in something like click the button below to send me a message now, and I'm going to highlight it and give it a bold. All right, and I'm also going to increase the font size. All right, so let's say something about this size, and I want to justify it to the middle. All right, you want to make sure it's properly aligned to the center of the page. All right, so the next thing you want to do now, you want to drag a button. So once you click on this plus icon here, then you want to drag this button underneath this text, and you want to change it to contact me. All right, so now you are going to paste in the Fiverr link right here. You want to click on this URL and you want to paste in that Fiverr link right there. Okay, so once you do this, now you want to click on this publish page. So once you do that, then you want to go back to your dashboard. And once you come over to the dashboard, you want to change the name of this link right here. As you can see, this is just a generic link right here. So I'm going to click on this link. As always, if you have a custom domain, you want to use this custom domain. And if you don't, you just want to click on that, choose a subdomain, and you want to type in something like Grow Insta account. Okay, so you want to type in something like Grow Insta. As you can see right here, we are promoting a Fiverr gig that's going to grow an Instagram account. So now I'm just going to type in so now I'm going to click on submit. As you can see, that is available. So now if I click on this button right here, all right, as you can see right here, click the button below to send me a message now. And once they click on this contact me, as you can see right here, it's going to bring the visitor to this Fiverr gig right here. And if they purchase this gig or any other gig on Fiverr, you make money. So basically, this is the page right here. Now you may be getting confused on why do you need to do this. So now I'm going to show you how to drive traffic and make sales promoting this Fiverr affiliate link. All right, so now you want to go over to Quora and you want to type in how to grow on Instagram. All right, as you can see right here, there are numerous questions related to how to grow on Instagram. So I'm going to take this one right here as an example. So if I click on that one there as an example, all right, so basically all I just need to do is click on this answer right here. So once you click on that, this box is going to pop up. And now you are going to type in an answer that looks like this. As you can see right here, the question says, what's the best strategy for growing my account on Instagram? Okay, you can see this answer right here says, hire a professional Instagram influencer to stand out from the crowd of your audience. This guy had my Instagram account grown to massive followers in a couple of days, as well as my content engagement. With the key strategy he used on my account, I went from 0 follower to 2,000 to 5,000 followers in a week. It's worth every penny. Send him a message. Okay, so that is why we had to use this landing page right here. So now what you want to do, this is the link you are going to copy right now. So once you copy this link, you want to go back to your Quora answer, and then you want to highlight this guy right here. Okay, so you want to highlight this and you want to click on this font icon right here. And you want to click on this URL link and you want to paste in the link to the landing page right here. So once you paste the link to the landing page right here, you want to click on add. So once you do that, as you can see right here, if I over to this link, so as you can see right here, it shows the landing page link and you want to click on post. So now you want to come over to another question. You can see right here, what is the quickest way to increase Instagram followers? So once you click on the question, it's going to bring you to this page. Now you want to click on this answer. So once you do that, you want to paste in the same answer right here, and the same thing, you want to highlight this guy right here and you want to click on this font icon and you want to click on this link and you want to paste in your landing page link right here. So I'm going to copy the landing page link now, and now I'm going to paste the landing page link right here. You want to click on this add. So you can see right here, this is the landing page link right here, and you want to click on post. As you can see, your submission was successful. So basically, if they click on this guy right here, it's going to take them to the landing page. So basically, the people who are searching for answer to this question are already interested in growing their Instagram account. So basically, that is all you need to do. And you can go over to Reddit and repeat the same process. You want to basically type in how to go on Instagram on Reddit, and you want to filter to the past 24 hours. All right, so basically you can come over and see right here, this question was made 22 hours ago. I am a musician with a small following on Instagram, and I am wondering about how to actually engage people so that I don't actually care. So you can recommend this Fiverr gig right here that's going to help them develop and grow their Instagram accounts. This is another person right here. Instagram promotion to grow my personal account, is it worth it? And you can answer this question and recommend this person to help them grow their Instagram account. So basically that is how you can do this strategy for any of these categories right here and start making money with Fiverr affiliates. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please drop a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.